Welcome back to Overheat. Toyota Motorhome 2026. Potential exterior design. Modern, aerodynamic styling will most likely follow Toyota's current design ethos and have a more recent, aerodynamic appearance than previous models. It is likely to come with standard features including an awning, a roof rack, external power and water hookups, and external storage for camping gear. Flexible chassis alternatives. Toyota is likely to offer the RV a variety of chassis alternatives, possibly including a rear-wheel drive RWD or even all-wheel drive AWD chassis, in order to boost capacity in a variety of road conditions. Interior design possibilities. Flexible and modular layout. Two important interior design components are likely to be adaptability and efficient utilization of available space. The mechanisms for eating, sleeping, and storing will probably be modular. Superior materials. Toyota is most likely to use more costly and durable materials for the interior, like easily cleaned upholstery. Kitchen equipment, a stove, sink, refrigerator, and sufficient room to store food and cooking equipment are likely to be found in the kitchen. Adjustable LED lighting and LED lighting system that can be adjusted will make the RVs inside more comfortable and useful. Potential features of technology and safety. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. It's likely that Toyota's safety sense or a similar system, which offers features like automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, will come standard. Centralized control panel. A centralized control system that regulates and keeps an eye on several motor home functions, including as the temperature, lights, water level, and batteries. Features of smart homes. Potential integration with smart home technologies that allow remote control via a mobile app. Potential for performance and efficiency. Strong and effective engine choices. Toyota offers a selection of strong gasoline or diesel engines to reduce pollutants and increase fuel efficiency.